Welcome to Jody Aesthetics Corner. Jody Aesthetics, your shop blog for interior designs and decorations. We specialize in tilings, screen and paintings, furniture, which include wardrobes, kitchen cabinets, and doors too. So wherever you want us to be, we are there for you as long as the interior space is concerned. Thank you for joining us once again. Now we'll be talking about our own safety on site, safety of the team members on site, worker safety. The previous episode we talked about what environmental safety. Now we are coming to our safety of our own selves. What's the necessity of our own safety on site with our gadgets, with our PPEs up, personal protective equipment. That is what PPE means. Why do we need it on site? The heavy duties equipment that can be on site. We need those safety gadgets to be on site. Safety cannot be overemphasized. Sometimes we can be carried away and we fall into one or two negligence that we have. Sometimes we don't put on our safety gadgets, but it's a necessity. It is of utmost importance rather for us to have our safety gadgets with us. Why do we need it? For instance, this reflective jacket, if it's in the night, so that they can be able to see us, so that it can be able to identify us in the day, so it can be used rather to identify us also. We need our helmet, we need our boots, we need our face masks. For us, that sometimes we have to do a lot of things on the walls. The dust that comes out, the materials, the after products of the materials we use, sometimes the abrasive nature of some of the chemicals we use on site. We need our face masks. We need a lot of safety kits on site. Yes, all might not be provided at once by the client or by yourself as an interior designer for your team members. However, it doesn't mean that we'll throw it away by the side. Safety is a broad topic we need to discuss, and we're going to be using 2 episodes to discuss it. Safety for human safety for the client also. These are things that we need to do at every given time to make sure that our jobs come out as neatly and come out with excellence. I give you an instance before we close this episode. We had to carry the scaffold we use on one of the sites, and trust me, we had a trip, and the scaffold almost fell on one of our team members, if not because he was even putting on his helmet, and he was also very reactive immediately. He was able to hold back the scaffold. Trust me, would have gotten casualty on site. So please, we cannot overemphasize safety enough. I want us to emphasize on this safety on site as interior designers, and we'll get the best of it. Thank you so much for joining us once more, and see you in the next episode.